Hello, there's two projects in this video. One is making a rabbit. The other one is making a cute kid wearing a rabbit costume. Let's start. You guys are welcome to use any color you want to make this project. First, we're gonna make the rabbit first. I am mixing blue and yellow two colors to mix the green colors. If you guys have a trouble to mix colors with the air dry clay, I have the other video. It's called How to Mix Color with Air Dry Clay. Please feel free to check it out. I will make the rabbit first this time. I always started with a roundish ball, then I make into the other shape. So now I make into a long cylinder shape and cut both ends. One side is for the rabbit's ear, like what I'm doing right now. And the other side is for the back leg of the rabbit. So now we are folding the back leg underneath the rabbit. One thing we need to be careful is the back leg only folded to the middle part of the rabbit's body. It's time to make the front leg. Watch. There you go. Isn't it like the magic happened? The rabbit is done. Do you like it? Now you see these three colors? It's for making the kid's face. You are welcome to mix any colors for the skin. And I will make this kind of a tannish, pinkish colors. So the reason I'm trying to make the face first because the clay I am using is quite soft. And this is air dry clay, so that means if I put this clay on the side, it will dry and turn harder. And I want this face is turn harder so it will not easy to change the shape. So that's why I am making the face first. So now I am making the rabbit outfit for the kid. This is the hood. Supposed to fit the face inside this hole, but I realize it's not big enough, so I'm trying to make it bigger. When you put the face in, be careful because the face is still soft. If you push too hard, the shape might change. So thank you so much for watching. To see the full video of this step-by-step tutorial, you can join or become my Patreon member, or go visit rbfineartstudio.com for more options. There are much more videos and live online art classes available in the website and in my Patreon page. Thanks again and see you next time.